welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station, and today we're doing part 2 of my repair. Hello! It's been a while since we've done a repair video, and we're doing part 2 on the Mickey. I'm always so scared while I'm Velcroing his shirt, because, I mean, look at how destroyed the Velcro is.
Yeah, we can sew new Velcro on when we're all done with them.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be like the last thing we do.
Mm-hmm. Let's get his clothes off, so that way I can try and fix them.
Fuzz?
Yeah. It's a piece of thread from his shirt is yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Last video we struggled to get a new rubber band in the tape deck to make it faster. It's quite a bit faster now, but it's still not as fast as it should be.
Yeah. That's
a short.
That's the tightest one we have. The tightest rubber band, at least.
He definitely has some sort of a short, I think. Because every once in a while he'll make like weird beeping noises.
Oh, he does?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Which we do not want.
Mm-hmm. Might be a pinched wire or something in there, hopefully. That's all it is. So what's wrong with him right now? He doesn't move, right?
Yeah, sometimes all of his movements will work, and some of them they won't, and sometimes they won't work at all.
Oh, okay. Oh, now I remember this guy. He's a pain in the butt because his head is so big.
He's big.
Yeah.
He's really big for a mouse.
He is. All right. Too big.
Should we just try and test them, just in case if they haven't seen part 1 yet?
Well, why would they watch part 2 if they haven't seen part 1? Can you go get that little green handle screwdriver, bud?
A lot of
I
people...
thought this one would work, this new one, but it's a little too big.
Oh, that one's new? I didn't think I had ever seen that one before.
It's a little bit bigger.
A lot of people actually, like on the other repairs, have watched like the second part, but not the first part.
But not the first part? Well.
Like I'm pretty sure my 4th most popular long form video is the part 2 of the Jingle Bell Rock Santa.
Mm. Part 1 of this guy was to get him playing at a better speed because he played in slow motion because the belts, the little rubber band that's on the tape deck was way too small.
Mm-hmm. Which is on my first videos of Teddy and Mickey in my YouTube shorts.
And now
because
he works, but his mouth and his eyes don't move. Well, they worked until we put them back together, and then they stopped working. So
well, every once in a while they work. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't.
Yeah. That's the summary of the first video.
Yeah. What's a summary?
A summary is a summary. It's a short version of what happened. Summarize what happened the first time.
Why is it making popping noises? Maybe that's just a screwdriver.
Yeah, probably was.
He's in collector's condition. The only thing wrong with him is the like working condition, like the mechanics.
Yeah.
Like fur wise,
There's the
he's in like
insides.
the perfect condition.
That's what the inside looks like.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't see him on the first time.
The only thing that's really like wrong with the skin is like with his clothes. The Velcro on his shirt is all
It's kind of bad.
it's getting like fuzzy because
All right, so
this thing
here's
was made in 1980.
all the moving mechanisms come out of these wires. So it's just these three connectors.
Here, do you have your phone over there?
What?
Do you have your phone over there?
My phone?
Mhm.
No, mine's charging. It was dead. Why?
We're gonna need that for the repair if we're gonna unplug anything.
Oh, I ain't gonna. Just gonna look at it. It's these three. If I do unplug them, I'll just do them one at a time. And I can pull them out. So this is one of them. This is one of the wires that goes up to his head.
And the tape we'll be using today is the same as last time. The Impossible
Here's wire.
Journey cassette tape. Because that's the only Mickey Mouse tape that we have. We don't have any other Mickey ones.
Yeah.
Pretty much all of my cassette tapes I have are Teddy Ruxpin ones.
Yeah.
And quite a few of his cassette tapes.
Yeah. And what's that other one called?
Gabby Bear.
Gabby Bear. You got
I
a
have
bunch of those too, huh?
There's quite a couple of those that I can't use though. Because they're still in the
Yeah,
packaging.
it's never been opened, huh?
After like looking
You could
closer
open them
at
up
the-
and use them for the first time.
No,
You could. Seriously.
no,
You know,
I'm not gonna do that.
you just don't want to. You could, but you don't want to. That's okay. There it is.
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
This is when we were doing the Teddy Ruxpin when we got out the saw paper. I don't remember what we were using it for.
We're sanding contacts. Kind
Yeah.
of sanding them down a little bit.
Yeah. And the Mickey's eyes really aren't that yellow. They're a tiny bit yellow. But yeah, the only Mickey Mouse tape I have is the Impossible Journey,
This one's really
which was the first cassette tape I ever played.
I don't know why they have them so twisted around each other, but they ain't that way now.
So it can fit in there.
I don't know, they just had them all twisted up.
No, that's probably why they have them all twisted up. So it can
Yeah.
fit in there.
Yeah, maybe.
That and so they don't like go together and like short out. Like after a while of the protection coating
Mm-hmm.
like over the wires.
Okay, so what I want to do is, since I got this out, put the batteries. Oh, we can't put the batteries in.
No,
huh?
we can't put the batteries in.
Well,
It has to be,
put together, huh?
yeah, it has to be put all the way together in order to put the batteries in. He's got a hinged battery cover. He's the only one I have that has a hinged battery cover. I think there is a version of Teddy Ruxpin that had the hinged battery
had the
cover as
hinged?
well.
When we first tested them, we did it like this.
Just put the
I
batteries
just
in.
held them, yeah. that and see if his
And here's the tape.
everything moves.
Well, it snaps together, so. You got the batteries in right?
Yes, but
Or make sure. No,
well, it doesn't matter.
the other way.
The other way.
Yeah. I think I hear movement.
Hi, Mickey. Hi, Goofy. What brings you to town?
He's really slow.
We're mailing a letter to Dr. Stan Livingstone. No, the famous explorer.
But Goofy, didn't you hear? Stan Livingstone was reported missing. It's been in all the papers. They're saying it
Wait
may
for Mickey
be
to talk.
impossible to find him.
I should.
Thanks for telling us, Minnie.
No,
I
he's
guess
not
this
that
moving.
him?
letter won't do any good now.
Yeah, he's not moving.
Come on, Goofy. Let's go back. My house. This is an emergency.
Emergency.
The light is what, like, makes it helpful. The little green light, so that way we know it's in all the way.
So why would it move sometimes and not other times? Those are all the wires that go up to the movement. And is there something?
I'm just really hoping it's not something in the head, because I really want to get him working.
Yeah, and you don't want us open in the head. Huh?
Yeah, because I want to keep him in good condition. And they have, like, a special way that they sew them. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab some glue.
Okay. I'm gonna keep going.
When we got home, Mickey tore open the package. There was a note inside from Stan Livingstone.
Dear Mickey, this package
Is he
contains
moving?
5
No.
impossible berries found only at the bottom of the bottomless lake. Once every 100 years, a few berries float to the surface. That's where I found these.
Gosh, Mick, he found the bottomless lake.
There's more, Goofy.
Try not to break his neck.
Guard these berries carefully, because when eaten, they give you the power to do the impossible.
Why is he making that
Signed,
crackling?
Stan Livingstone.
Just because I'm holding it together.
This Stan Livingstone must be quite a fellow.
He sure is, Goofy. And I'll bet he's at the bottomless lake right now. If these berries really work, maybe we could use them
I
to
can't
buy
hear
some.
anything moving up there.
He's going too slow for the movements to work.
Oh, is he? You think that's what it is? He's just still not going fast enough?
Yeah, I can tell by how, like, quiet.
Does he
and,
usually
like,
go faster than that?
Oh yeah,
Oh, he does? Alright, we'll go ahead and screw them back together real quick.
I can tell with how, like, rumbly it is, and like how quiet and slow it is. That's too slow.
Oh, okay.
Because it's possible for it to be too slow for the movements to work.
Alright.
Because the first time that we replaced the rubber band, that's the first time all of his movements were working. I found Minnie Mouse.
That's not Minnie Mouse. That's just a mini mouse.
Yeah.
Like
Minnie?
miniature mouse.
Oh, that's mommy's phone. I found this at an antique shop. It was 7 something, probably 8 with tax.
Mm.
It's a Jimmy Christmas mouse. It's missing the screw at the bottom of the battery pack. It's one of the yellow battery pack ones.
Still stays together though, right?
Yeah. She's got a little like hand puff thingy, and her cheeks light up, and her hoodie isn't like sewn on at all, so you can like put her hoodie down too, because like there's holes here for her ears to go through. From here, Mickey is looking at the mouse.
Mm.
Mickey, look, it's Minnie Mouse. I also got a rare Teddy Ruxpin lunchbox at the antique shop for around the same price as this. It was a tiny bit more. It's like 8 something. Seems a bit slower.
Goofy ran outside
Yes,
and pointed at the
that's
sky.
too slow.
Why don't we try hitching a
It's already
ride on an
together?
airplane?
Oh, Goofy, that's impossible.
Yeah, it's.
Impossible?
I think
I
he's
ain't
done.
impossible, Mary. Maybe
I
we
don't
can do
think
it.
he's fixable.
Okay, Nick.
I think he
Down
needs
the
like a
hatch.
new board. I think his board is fried.
Look,
It might be
there's a
that rubber
plane.
band because we
Hold
used
out
the
your
rubber
phone.
band,
Oh, gee,
not
Goofy,
what
I
their
feel
thing
kind of
was.
silly.
Mickey, it's landing.
Yeah, but it's not any different than
And the
it was
pilot's
before.
waving.
Yeah, but what a rubber band
Where
stretches
are you fellows headed?
really easy.
I'm
Well,
on
it seems
my
they
way
got
to
it
Africa.
like a fixed link.
Gosh, mister, so are
Maybe I
we.
need to
Thanks.
measure one of those rubber bands, I guess, and see if I can maybe order a little
We were over the
Take a
ocean
cord
in
band.
no time.
We don't.
But the pilot didn't look too happy.
Oh yeah.
See, he just randomly starts moving.
Sorry, but my plane's too small to handle a storm that
It's twitchy though.
We'll have to turn back. But, mister, can't we just fly over the clouds? Impossible! This plane could never fly that high. Impossible. Well,
You just
Nick,
randomly
try
starts
another
moving.
berry.
He's still
Okay,
moving.
Goofy, here goes.
Holy smoke! We're at
movements are
25,000
twitchy,
feet and
but-
still climbing. I don't know what you fellows did, but it
I
sure
think the
worked.
movements are getting like less twitchier. Maybe let's just let him play for a little while and see if they
See what
get
he
Few
does.
hours later, we
Yeah.
landed.
see if they
We
get
were
better.
in Africa. I bought some supplies, and Goofy went off to hire a guide. When he came back, he was as pale as a ghost.
No one
Yeah,
wants
so
to
he
go
just-
near the
Every
bottomless
once in a
lake.
while, he just
They
decides
say
to
there's
move.
a monster there.
This is the longest
Oh,
he's
Goofy,
moved.
don't be
though.
silly.
Really?
That's just a superstition.
Yeah, he hasn't moved
But
for
how
this
do
long
we
yet.
know for sure? Maybe they know something we don't.
All I know is that there's no such thing as a monster. Now, come on. We'll go by ourselves. Stan Livingstone needs our help.
Okay, Nick, but no explorer has ever returned from the bottomless lake.
But none of them had impossible
Yeah,
berries to help
This is
them.
way longer than
Just
he's
think,
ever
we
been
could be the
full
first.
record.
If
Really?
we're careful.
Yeah, he's never. This our
Let it
Mickey
run,
has
see
never
if-
been.
Pretty
See
soon,
if he can make it
we
through the
left
end
the
of the
town
tape.
behind, and Goofy and I were on our own.
Well, I guess this is what they call the jungle. You don't think there are any lions or tigers around here, do you?
What's wrong, Goofy? Afraid of hunting wild animals?
Gosh, no. It's finding them that worries me.
For the rest of the day, we kept looking for signs of Stan Livingstone, but we didn't find anything. Then late in the
His
afternoon,
movements are definitely
Goofy
getting better.
stopped suddenly.
We're getting near some water, Mick. I can tell by the way my big toe's throbbing.
It says on the map here, it's the Mumbo Jumbo River.
Great. Let's go for a swim. Have you ever seen my super duper swan dive?
No, but I have a
I can
feeling I'm
tell
going
it's
to
whenever
now.
he blinks.
That's right,
When
Mick.
he first started
Here
moving.
I go.
He just got louder. He's like, stop speaking.
Wait a minute. What are those eyes sticking out of the water? Goofy, look out!
Yeah, the eye blinking is also much smoother now too.
Yow! You know,
The eyes were like
Mick,
twitchy
maybe
whenever
I'm
they
not
would
in the
blink.
mood to go
When he
swimming
first started
after
moving
all.
this time.
But how are we going to get across?
Looks impossible. Hold on a minute. Did I say impossible? Bring out those berries.
I ate another berry, then we moved into the water, one step at a time.
Well, can you beat that?
Look at how
The
smooth his
crocodiles
movements
are
are.
acting as gentle as
Yeah.
little puppy dogs. Hey, I think I'll try something. Watch this, Mick.
How did you do that? You're riding that crocodile just like a horse.
Go ahead and try it, Mick. They won't hurt you.
Hey, this is fun.
I think
Whoa!
he's gotten louder
Ride
too.
'em, cowboy!
I turned him up a little bit.
Yahoo!
Here, let's not.
Gosh, that was some ride.
Yeah, I didn't do nothing to
What's
him.
that hanging from the tree limb?
It stands
Pulls his
high.
stuff up.
And look, here are some footprints.
They lead through these trees right to this lion. Lion? For it, Dick!
We can't go faster than a lion, Goofy. That's impossible.
It sounds like it,
Then
yeah.
you better eat another berry and hurry.
I just swallowed one, Goofy, but the lion's not stopping.
That's
He's
why I think
coming
you're such a
right
good
at
Mickey
me.
and Goofy.
Duck, Mickey, duck.
I can't,
And that's
Goofy.
how I know how to
I'm
spell
too
Mickey Mouse.
scared.
In the song,
Well, what do you know? That lion jumped over your head and banged his head against a tree. He's out cold.
See, Goofy, there was really nothing to it.
Look, Mick. Here are Stan's footprints again. They go to this cliff, but then they stop. I guess we've lost his trail.
And we're lost too. I guess if you're not the world's greatest explorer, finding the bottomless lake really is
There you go,
impossible.
Impossible? Maybe it's time for
I
another
can show you a
berry,
different
Mick.
video.
yeah.
But it's the last one.
Maybe I can do a review.
Oh
on it.
well, we've got to find Stan. Here goes.
Look, Mick. Over behind those trees. I see water. This must be
It's
it.
still going
The
slow.
bottomless lake.
He's
And here are some more of
at
Stan's
least
footprints.
he's
They lead
moving.
right into the water,
Yeah.
but they don't come back up.
Poor guy. The monster must have got him.
For the last time, Goofy, there is no monster. Now come on, it's getting dark. Let's turn in for the night, and tomorrow we'll try to find Stan. It must have been around 4 in the morning when I heard a noise. I asked Goofy if he'd heard it too.
I sure did, Mick. It's my teeth rattling.
No, I'm talking about
The
that other
movements
noise.
have been going for a long time.
Sloshy sound. Hear it? It sounds like something that just came out of the water and is standing right over us.
Oh, please, Mr.
Because of the
Monster,
way they
don't
made the
hurt
eyes
us.
on the Mickey
Oh,
and Goofy,
where are our berries
They
now
can
that
make
we
it
need
more
them?
expression
when it
in the
hit me.
eyes.
I
Mhm.
climbed
That's
out of
like
my
all of
sleeping
the other
bag,
characters.
walked right up to the monster and said, Dr. Livingstone, I presume?
Like the pupils like
Mickey?
go down
Mickey
into their head.
Mouse?
Yeah.
Oh,
Whenever they
thank
blink, 'cause
goodness
it's
you've
just, like,
come.
One
Hold
like,
on,
solid
Mick.
piece that like.
You mean the
goes
monster's
down.
named Dr. Livingstone,
Like-
too?
Mm.
No,
But these
Goofy,
ones, it's
there's
like two
no
separate
such thing as
pieces.
a monster.
Cool.
And since only one person before us has ever made it to the bottomless lake, I knew this monster had to be Stan.
Well, I'll be. How'd you walk underwater, Doc?
By eating an impossible berry. I used one to go to the bottom of the lake and back to look for some more berries.
The expression on your face, you look so confused.
Yeah. All the papers said you were missing for
Why are you
weeks.
so confused?
It's a long trip. After all,
impossible
the lake
berry?
is
Never heard of that.
bottomless.
Oh, it's something
Unfortunately,
in the story.
it's also
Oh, it's something in the story.
berryless. Thank heavens we still have the ones I sent you.
We've got some bad news for you, Stan. We used up all the berries finding you. For a minute, it looked like he was mad. Then he got a sad little smile on his face and sighed.
Well, I don't suppose I can get angry about two friends trying to help me. Come on, gentlemen. The sun will be coming up soon. Let's start back. I have a feeling you'll be getting a hero's welcome for rescuing
The
me.
impossible berry.
You know, Mick, things sure turn out funny sometimes.
How's that, Goofy?
Magical.
Well, I was thinking, today I'm a hero. And just yesterday, I was in the doghouse.
Never mentioned that Goofy is a dog. Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Daisy Duck, Donald Duck, Pluto Dog, Goofy.
Well,
Doghouse,
Pluto is
get
just
it?
Pluto.
I was in the
Yeah, but
doghouse.
he's actually
Yeah,
an
He
animal.
acts like a
I
dog.
get it.
You know, Mick, I
Have
think
you
that
ever
was
thought
one
of
of
how
my
weird that would
favorite
look like
adventures.
if
I just
Goofy was
wish I
walking
had some of
Pluto?
those impossible
Mhm.
berries.
It's
They
like
could sure
a
come
human
in
walking
handy
a human.
sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what, Goofy? The real impossible
Oh,
berries
I'm probably
aren't
not gonna
at
be
the
able to get
bottomless
that image
lake.
out of my head now.
There's something you carry with you
Now it's
wherever you go.
terrifying.
But Mick, I checked my pockets and they're empty.
No, Goofy. The real impossible berries are things like determination, spunk,
He's
and
shaking.
stick-to-itiveness.
Oh, you mean like never giving up?
That's right. If you don't give up, almost
It's just because
nothing's
his mouth is
impossible.
moving.
And now, until next time,
Sad music.
well, now it's time to say goodbye.
This piece is okay. It's just this
All
piece.
our
Huh?
company.
Especially the piece on the top.
And
This
I
one's okay.
see
No, it's the piece on the
See
top.
ya real soon.
The little one.
That's the only one that's messed up. It's just the only one.
why? Because we like you.
That's not too hard.
And
I just put a new little piece there and the rest will be fine.
One time when I played Billy, they didn't say
Bye
E.
bye. See ya next time.
S. E.
He goes to sleep.
That is, I didn't actually know he goes to sleep at the end. That's really cool.
The tape is still going. See what happens when it finishes.
He'll probably, like,
Yeah, there it's done.
he'll probably open his eyes back
It
up.
just no, it just turns off. So he's asleep.
I want to play the intro again.
Is it the same when you flip it?
Yeah, they don't need to be, like, reset. Let's see if he'll,
If he starts playing right away.
yeah, see if he'll, oh, his bottom, or his upper jaw moved. Is he gonna wake up?
Imagine
Hopefully.
at some point.
It's at the very beginning of the tape, so it'll take it a second. Oh no. His movements aren't twitching.
Hey, Goofy!
Nope,
What's
he's
wrong with
goofing
the
again.
motion?
It's a band, Mickey. And
You
they're
sure it's
playing
not the tape?
your song.
No, the tape is perfect. I played it quite a few times in my Teddy Ruxpin.
That's
And
easy.
it's
Listen.
perfect.
M-I-C-K-E-Y.
It's not the
Does
tape.
it make Teddy's mouth move?
Yep, and when I plug Grubby in, he moves
Mickey
with
Mouse.
Grubby.
Yeah.
M-O-U-S-E.
Mickey Mouse.
Well, what do you know?
Mickey Mouse.
Well, his ears are too big. It's too much commotion.
Come along and sing the song.
He's awake.
Join the jamboree. M-I-C-K-E-Y.
He woke up.
M-O-U-S-E.
Is it a battery issue? Because as soon as you...
I pushed it on the battery pack.
We'll meet new
I wonder
faces.
if you're just...
We'll do things.
And we'll
It was
do
too much
places.
commotion.
Oh, boy,
Maybe
Nick. I can hardly wait to go.
It's working now.
Okay, Goofy. It won't be long now.
Come on, everybody, join in. M-I-C-K-E-Y.
M-O-S-E, Mickey Mouse.
Well,
I
guess you know by now that my name is Mickey Mouse. And this is
You
my
can
friend
listen to the whole
Goofy.
thing again.
Say hello, Goofy.
Okay.
Hello.
That's probably good then.
Lee. I mean,
Alright.
hello there, everyone.
That's it for this one. He seems to be working. Can you say goodbye?
Yep. Mickey has a pet mouse.
Yep.
Mickey Mouse has a pet mouse.
Yep. All I gotta do is sew this back up. Or sew a new piece of Velcro on there.
And then somewhere on his little shorts, there's a tiny little hole. Oh, right here.
Okay.
That needs to be sewn up.
Okay, I'll do that when I do that. I'll probably wait until I fix your Groot blanket. So I gotta get the sewing machine out to fix that too.
Oh, yeah.
So that's when I'll sew that piece on.
And then I also want you to sew that dog's hat back on because it's falling off.
Okay.
The Christmas one that I got at Goodwill. But yeah. Until next time, M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S.
That was M-O-O-S-E. Mickey Mouse.
That's what he did with me that one time. It was good throughout the whole entire tape. Like this happened when I first got him. Like maybe a couple of days after. Probably not even like this. It was probably like the same week. Like at the very end, once they got to E, I was like singing along with it, and they took like a 5-second pause before saying E. I have an idea.
Where are you going? You gonna say goodbye?
Yep, just a second. Mickey Trump. Mickey Trump. Daddy got this at the antique shop. It's a Donald Trump mask. I think he has a new law. You must subscribe. You don't have to if you don't want.
Okay.
Okay. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.